Welcome to Ask Skink. What do you do with ripe bananas?
How about making banana bread?
But how?
Here's a simple recipe how.
You'll need a 1/4 cup of unsalted melted butter, 1 whisked egg, 3 ripe bananas, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
The dry ingredients are 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt.
You will also need 2 bowls and a pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius.
Peel the bananas and place them into the bowl. Then mash them up with a spoon. It should look like this.
Then add the melted butter, brown sugar, and mix. Add the egg and vanilla extract. Then add the milk and continue mixing.
In a separate bowl, add flour, baking soda, and salt. Shift in the flour using a folding motion 1/3 at a time.
It should end up looking like this. Grease the pan with oil. Then pour the batter into the pan. After that, put the pan into the oven and set the timer for an hour. Once it's done, take it out and test it with a toothpick by poking it in. If it's clean, it's ready to cool and ready to cut.
Cut it up and enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this one.
See you next time!